3 chairs, preferably high chairs, 4 weights, doesn't matter what weight, and a blanket. I'm gonna move the ping pong balls over here, so they're out of the way. Now, I like to start off with the chairs because they're the biggest part. So, I'm gonna take my first chair and move it over here. Like that. So it's about that far apart. Second chair, and this is the third chair. So now that they're all in line, it should look somewhat like this, and with about that much space. Step 2. First, you're going to want to take one of your weights, whether it's a book or a weight itself or something heavy, and put them on each corner because you're going to need them soon. Like that. Now, step 3, the blanket. What I'm going to do first is take this and put it right here, and then take the long ends like this and I'm gonna put the prettier side up because and put it under the weight like this. Now the other end over here like this. Okay. So that's done. Like that. Final step, attaching it to the blankets, to the chairs, is what I mean. So first I'm going to take the other 2 weights and put them on the chair so, so they're ready. Then I'm going to take the other end of the blanket, which is right here, and pull it over so it's like this. There, and just put the weight right over it, and that should stay. And then you take the other end and you do the same. Just pull it right over, drop the weight on top of it. Now it's gonna look pretty bad, so you're gonna pull it and straighten it out, and then in the end, it's gonna look like this. Oh yeah, 100% complete. Now I'm gonna showcase how it works with my ping pong and paddle, of course. So, you can serve repeatedly as many times as you want to wherever you want it with however many balls you want, and just repeatedly serve it. And then you can go and collect them, and they'll be in the same place. So that worked. Now it's just this easy. You take your bucket or whatever you have, and you just take them right off the blanket, and there you go.